Good morning, students, and good morning, parents. Welcome to Edistar International School. You are watching Class 5 Mathematics. Today, we are going to revise chapter number 3, Addition and Subtraction. First, I am going to explain once again about addition and its properties. Addition is one of the 4 basis operations of arithmetic, usually signified by the plus symbols. So, symbol of addition is plus. Addition is the process whereby we put objects together. I'm going to explain through example. For example, 457 plus 232. We are going to add these two values. So whenever you are going to add the two values, you start from right side onwards from ones place. So 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. So you will get total finally that. The first number, how do we call? Add-on. Second number, how do we call? That is also add-on. Add-on 1, add-on 2. We can use that like that. So if we add two values, we get the total value, that is called a sum or total. So it's given explanation given below that. In additions, the numbers that are added together are called add-ons. Numbers added together are called add-ons. The result of the addition, finally we get that is called sum or total. Terms used in addition, what and all, sum, total, altogether, all, more than, increase. So these are the words that are all related to the addition. Then additions of large number. One of the example is given that solve 12,64,750 plus 4,12,673 plus 36,82,145. So while adding, you should arrange the numbers correctly. Okay. So I am going to explain through that example. Step 1, first you write the numbers in the place value chart one below the other. So write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Then you had to arrange the numbers. Start right from ones place onwards, from last. Okay. So write on the first step or want to arrange the numbers according to the place value system. The next second step. Whenever you are adding the values, you start in column wise from right side onwards. Okay, so from right to left you want to add the values. In ones place, what and all we are having here? 0, 3, 5. So add these 3 values, you get finally 8. You are getting 1 digit number, so write 8 in the ones place. Then move to the tens place. 5 plus 7 plus 4, how much? 16 you are getting that. So it is 2 digit number, so you write 6 in tens place and 1 carry move to the next place in 100 place. At the top you have to write. Then you add 1 plus 7 plus 6 plus 1 in 100 place. How much you are getting? 15 you are getting. So that 15 or write 5 in the 100 place, that 1 that moves to a carry to the next place in 1000 place. So write 1 at the top. Again you have to add 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Finally you get 9, 1 digit number. So you write in the same place in 1000 place. Right. Then move to the 10,000 place. 6 plus 1 plus 8. How much means? 18. So write 5 in that, the 10,000 place. The 1 is a carry that moves to the next place in lakh place. Write 1 at the top. Then add 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. How much? 13. So write 3 at the bottom in the lakh place. And 1 moves to as a carry to the next place, 10 lakh place. So write 1 at the top. Again you add 1 plus 1. How much? 2 plus 3, 5. So write on that. Finally you get 53,59,568. Then I am going to explain about properties of addition. We are having 3 properties, what and all. First one commutative property, second one associative property, third one zero property. So now we are going to explain again about these properties. Commutative property. The sum of two numbers remains the same even if we change the order of the numbers. For example, 25,70,381 plus 5,09,650 is equal to 5,09,650 plus 25,70,385. See here, the first number 25 lakhs on left side, the same 25 lakhs is present on right side and the second place. So we change the order alone. Whenever we are adding the two values, we will get the same value. If we add two values on both sides, we will get the same value. Yeah, 30,80,031 is equal to 30,80,031. The next property, associative property. The sum of three or more numbers also remains the same irrespective of the order in which they are added. For example, here two or more numbers means we are having three numbers. On left, the same values are given on right side also. Okay, just we are going to add second and third values first. So write the first value 20,000 plus, now we are going to add the 10,000 plus 30,000, totally 40,000 you are getting, is equal to here first two values 20,000 plus 10,000, 30,000 plus 30,000 you have to write. So now you add 20,000 plus 40,000, 60,000 is equal to 30,000 plus 30,000, 60,000. So we are changing the order to add the values. We will get the same answer. Then zero property. When we add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. For example, 3,48,678 plus 0. We are going to add with that number is equal to 0 plus 3,58,678. So just you add 0 with any other number, you will get the same number. I mean that number itself. So 3,58,678 is equal to 3,58,678. If we add 1 to the given number, we get after number for the given number. Just we are going to add 1 to the given number, we will get next number, that is successor. Okay. For example, 4,56,789 plus 1. You are going to add 1 to the given number. You get finally 4,56,790. Okay. Next thing, the addition of 7-digit numbers. So for already you know the addition thoroughly that. So once again we are going to revise. 84,45,110 plus 71,45,928. First, we want to arrange the numbers according to the place value based in column wise. So, write the first number, start from the right side onwards, that is ones place. Okay. So, 0, 1, 1, 5, 4, 4, 8. So, second number you have to arrange from ones place onwards, 8, 2, 9, 5, 4, 1, 7. So, whenever you are arranging the numbers, you start from the ones place onwards to right. From right to left. Okay. Let us start to add the values from ones place onwards. In ones place we have 0 and 8. So 0 plus 8, 8. That is only one digit number. So you have to write in the ones place. Then tens place we have 1 and 2. 1 plus 2, 3. So that is also one digit number, right in the tens place. Then move to the 100 place. We are having 1 and 9. 1 plus 9, 10. So it is a 2-digit number. So 2-digit number, write the 0 in 100 place. That 1 moves to the 1000 place as a carry. So write 1 at the top. Then add in 1000 place values. 1 plus 5 plus 5, how much? 11. So write 1 in the 1000 place. One more 1 is there, that it moves to the 10,000 place as a carry. Okay, right at the top. Then you add the remaining values. 1 plus 4 plus 4, how much? No, 9. That is one digit number, so write in the 10,000 places. Then next move to the lakh place. We have 4 and 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Then 10 lakh place. 8 plus 7, 15. Finally, we get 1 crore 55 lakh 91,038. Next, we are going to revise once again about subtraction. What is the symbol of subtraction? That is minus. Okay, so the subtraction means taking away. It is while taking any other things from the total amount, it will decrease. Okay. Now, going to revise once again the subtraction and its properties. First, I am going to explain here. Here, one of the girl is getting the things from some other girl. So, one of the boy is taking one part of circle from the whole part. That means taking away. So, what is the symbol of subtraction? Minus. Terms used in subtractions: what and all, difference, minus, less than, take away, subtract, deduct. So these are the words if we find in any other sums, immediately you can consider that is subtraction. Now I am going to explain through example. Subtract 235 from 987. So while separating the two values, always the first value is the greatest value and the second value is the smallest value. So like that we want to arrange. That is the correct format. Okay. So here from after, what is that? 987. It is a bigger value compared with the first value. Am I right? So you have to write the first value. After from what is coming, that we want to write first. So 987. Then second number is the smallest value that we want to write in the second. Okay, 235. So symbol of subtract is minus. Write on that. Now the first value 987, that we called minuend. The second number is called subtrahend. Then you subtract the two values from right side onwards. That means ones place. So 7 minus 5, 2. Then 8 minus 3, 5. Then 9 minus 2, 7. So finally we get 752. That is called difference. Okay. First greater value is the minuend. Second value, smaller value is the subtrahend. And we get the result, that is difference. Then we are going to subtract the bigger values. So subtract 94,13,205 from 1,78,40,926. Now we are going to arrange the numbers according to the place values. Okay, whenever you are writing the numbers, you start from the right side onwards. Okay, from right to left you want to write. So while separating the two values, first value is the biggest value. Which is the biggest value here? After from what is given, that is the biggest value that we want to write first. So 62904,871. Okay, write on that. Then next, first value 94,13,205. That is the smallest value that we want to write in the second place. So 5023149. Okay. Now we are going to subtract the two values. Start from the ones place and 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. Then here 0 is there, that we can't subtract it. So the 0 get borrowing from nearby number. From 4, the 4 gives 1. So the 4 becomes 3. That 1. It moves to the thousand place. So it becomes 10. Okay. So 10 minus 3, how much? 7. Then move to the 10,000 place. We are having 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. Then 8 minus 4, 4. Then 7 only we are having. So we can't subtract 9 from 7. So the 7 get 1 from the nearby number. The 1 give 1. So it becomes 0. Okay, it moves the before number, that is. So that 1 moved to the 10 lakh place. So the 7 becomes 17. It becomes 2-digit number. So now we are having 17. 17 minus 9 means you will get 8. So finally you get the answer 84,27,721. Already you know how to subtract the values. Anyway, you had to revise all those things. Next we are going to study about the properties of subtraction. Property 1. We cannot change the order of the numbers in subtraction. For example, 7 minus 3 we will get 4. Can you subtract 3 minus 7? We can't subtract bigger value from smaller value. Here smaller value, first number already I told that while separating the two values, the first value is always bigger, the second value is always smaller. So first on left side is correct but right side arrangement is wrong. So we can't subtract 7 from 3, so that is not equal to. Okay, so if you change the order, we cannot subtract the values. So 7 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 7. Then property 2. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. So now we are going to subtract 0 from any other number. So we will get the same value. Okay. For example, 32,50,789 minus 0. So is equal to, you will get the same value. 32,50,789. Then property 3. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. For example, 5,67,890 minus 5,67,890. So here both numbers are same number. While subtracting the same number, we will get the 0 answer. Okay. Then property 4. The predecessor of a number is obtained by the subtracting 1 from that number. Already I told that if you subtract 1 from the given number, you will get the before number. Okay. So for example, 4,72,190 minus 1 is equal to 4,72,189. So we are getting before number. Then we are going to study about relationship between addition and subtractions. So addition and subtractions are related to each other. How? Going to see now. Formula is given that if you study the formulas thoroughly means that is very helpful for you checking the answer. Okay. Now minuend, already I told minuend is the bigger value. Subtrahend is the second value, that is the smaller value. You will get the result, that is difference. Okay, that is the first formula. Minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Suppose we don't know the minuend value, but we need to find, means what we have to do? Yes, we want to add the difference with the smallest value. That means subtrahend, second number. So difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. Okay, you are getting the result, that difference. Then add to the subtrahend means you will get the answer for minuend. Okay, the next one. Suppose we know the value of minuend and difference. They are asking to find the subtrahend means what we want to do that. Just we want to subtract difference from minuend. So minuend minus difference is equal to subtrahend. The next thing, going to subtract the two values. Already you know that. Once again the example is given that. Subtract 29,70,114 from 46,80,023. So arrange the numbers according to the place values. So write for second number, I mean that is the biggest value. So write, start from the right side onwards. So write 3200864, then 4110792. So then you have to separate from ones place onwards. So 3 here 4. So always biggest value in the first value. Subtract 29,70,114 from 46,80,023. So arrange the numbers according to the place values. So which is the biggest value here? 46 lakhs, that we want to write first. So 3200864. then the smallest value, second value is always smallest while subtracting. So write 29 lakh. Okay, 4110,792. So you write from right to left, fill in the place values. Okay, then you subtract from ones place onwards. We are having 3 and 4. So first value is the smallest, second value is the bigger. So second value is bigger means you need to borrow the next number. So the 3 get 1 from the tens place. So that 2 is given 1, 2. So it is become 1. So write 1 at the top. That remaining 1 it moves to the next place, to 1's place. So the 3 become 13. I mean it moves, the next place means it become 10. Okay, 1 become 10. So that 10, then remaining we have 3 in ones. You add that together, you will get 13. Okay, so 13 minus 4 how much? 9. Then move to the tens place. See here both are same value. Say when you are subtracting same value, you will get 0 answer. Write 0. Then we are having 0. So we can't subtract 1 from 0. So we will get the borrowing the nearby number. As to 1000 means 1000 also not having any other things. So that moves to the next one 10,000. So the 10,000 what it will do? Immediately give 1. So it becomes 7. Okay. That 1 it moves to the nearby 1000. So after thousands it will give 1 to the 0. I mean 1 give to the 100 place. So that 0 it becomes 10. Then this 10 in 1000 means that is become 9 because it gave 1 to 100 place. So 9 it become 9. Now you have to separate 10 minus 1 how much? 9. 9 minus 0 how much? 9. Here in 10,000 place 7 minus 7 same number. So you have to write 0. Then we have 6 and 9. So 6 is the smallest value. So we can separate 9 from 6. So the 6 1 get from 4. So the 4 give 1. It become 3. That 1 moved to the lakh place. So the 6 become 16. Now 16 minus 10 how much? 7. You write. And in 10 lakh place 3 minus 2 you have 1. So the first number is, how do you call, minus 1. The second number is the subtrahend. Then we are getting the result, that is difference. So what do we get finally? 17,09,909. Now we are going to check the answer. Okay. So what we want to do here, whether we did the sum correctly or not. Here what do we want to do? That already we get the difference. No, that difference and the second number, right, that is smallest value subtrahend, it is there. No, so the result plus subtrahend you get the minuend, that greatest value. If we add difference plus smaller value means you will get the greater value. So if we are getting same value means your answer is correct. Okay, the next thing. So that is given in the next slide. Okay. So first we separated the values. The second we checked the values. We will get the greater values 4680023. The same value we are getting here. So your answer is correct. Next I am going to give answer key for the worksheet 2. Already we did know chapter 2 Roman numerals. That thing I gave the answer for you. Once again, take your answer sheet and check your answer with the answer key. Worksheet number 2 Roman numerals. So you have to take once again, take your answer sheet and check your answer. Roman letter 1, write the following numbers in the Roman numerals. So take snap and check your answer with your answer sheet. Then Roman letter 2, write the following numbers in the Hindu-Arabic numerals. So Roman numerals given, convert into Hindu-Arabic numerals. So check the 5 answers correctly. Then Roman letter 3, solve and write the answer in the Roman numerals. So I gave 6 sum. So check your answer. Take snap everyone. Check your answer once again whether you have written correctly or not. Then Roman letter 4, match the following. On left side, Hindu-Arabic numeral is given. On right side, Roman numeral is given. So the exact value is given on right side. So already I matched. You have to check your answer with your answer sheet. Today's worksheet for you. So from chapter number 3, addition and subtraction. So you have to take snap and write the question neatly. Write down the heading black in color. Write down the question blue in color and give the answer black in color. Okay. Here Roman letter 1, fill in the blanks. A, 25,000 more than 27,500. More than means we want to add the values. So add these two values and write the answer in the dash. B, 20,200 less than 1,02,020. Less means we want to subtract the values. You have to subtract these two values and write the answer in the dash. C, 9,099 added to 2,11,901. Added means that is also you want to add the two values and write in the dash. D, 1 lakh increased by 66,000. So increased means that is also related to the addition. So you want to add the two values and write. E, 100,000 added to 5,500 is. So here also you want to add the two values. And F, 19,99,999 plus 0. So is equal to dash. G, 51,07,886 minus 51,07,886 is equal to dash. H1, 1 crore minus dash is equal to 99,99,999. So what you have to separate from this, you will get this answer. I, 4 crore 51,09,836 plus dash is equal to 4 crore 51,09,836. J, 5 crore 61,93,730 minus dash equal to 5 crore 61,93,730. K, if 5 crore 63,28,921 minus 2 crore 54,63,982 is equal to 3 crore 8,64,939. Then 3 crore 8,64,939 plus dash is equal to 5 crore 63,28,921. So you compare all the values which is missing that we want to write in the dash. It's easy for you. Then L, if 99,99,999 plus 1, if we add one thing, you will get 1 crore. Okay, then 1 crore minus 1 means what will come? Yes, that word, the same value will come that. I mean 99,99,999. M, difference of the largest 7-digit number and the smallest 8-digit number is dash. So write the largest 7-digit number, then you write smallest 8-digit number, then you difference means subtract. So you want to subtract the two values and write. Successor of 4 crore 90,94 subtracted from the predecessor of 5 crore 50,01,264. So we want to subtract. Write this number successor and second number. What is that? Write the predecessor number. Write the predecessor numbers. From that we want to subtract the successor number. Okay, so you do in the effort and take and write the answer in the dash alone. So Roman letter 2 solve. A, 1,67,152 plus 9,21,264 minus 2,967. So first two number you add, then you have to subtract. B, 5,16,584 plus 73,483 plus 3,48,912 plus 2,680 plus 5,672. So you want to add all those values. See, subtract 72 crore 46,81,974 from 80 crore 2,41,623. And D, 3,24,509 minus 1,76,590 plus 7,892. So do everything correctly. Then Roman letter 3 word problems. Number 1. The number of adults and children in Uttara's town are given below. Adults 3,85,92,493. Number of children 3,28,937. So we know the value of adult. Adult means both men and women, both including comes under adult word. Okay. So first A, we want to find the total populations of Uttara's town. Okay. Adult is given and children is given. You want to add these two values, you will get the total population. From that, find the total number of women in her town if there are 1,98,70,093 men. So we know the value of men, but we don't know the number of women. Okay, that we want to find. So already we found the total population now. From that, if we subtract the men means we will get the total number of women. Okay. Number 2, a metro parking lot can hold 1,25,000 four-wheelers and 12,45,675 two-wheelers. Okay. What is the total capacity of the parking lot? What is given here? How many four-wheelers and how many two-wheelers are there? So you should add the two values. So we will get the total capacity of the parking lot. Okay. The next question, what is asking here? How many more two-wheelers can be parked than four-wheelers? So how many two-wheelers more? So what we have to do that? How many more two-wheelers can be parked than four-wheelers? So what we have to do? We want to subtract these two values means, two-wheelers values and four-wheelers values. The both values if you have subtracted means you will get how many two-wheelers more than the four-wheeler we can find. Then question number 3. In a certain state, 45,63,882 students were enrolled in various schools. Okay. So of this, 19,65,233 were primary school students. Okay, in state, total number of students is given that. From that, 19,65,233 primary school students and 10,01,687 were high school students. So the rest attended middle school. So how many students attended in middle school? So we know the primary school students strength and we know the high school student strength. We know that total strength also we know that. From that, what we want to find, rest of the students are middle school. So that we want to find. What we have to do here? First, you should add the primary school students and number of high school students values. So add these two values that you should subtract from the total. You will get the middle school strength. Okay. So you have to do everything with step. Write in the solution what and all is given in the question that you want to take and write. So write in correct manner. Thank you students. Thank you parents. We will meet in the next class.